Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance When She Was My Girl. The song is When She Was My Girl. The artist is Four Tops. Choreography is JESSIE. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instructions, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. You cannot beat timeless music. When She Was My Girl, the Four Tops. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.